Underwear. Okay, it's on. Underwear. Hey guys, it's Mace back. I play with slime that me and Liz made. Sorry, someone's in here. So, this is right there. We are gonna be making bubbles.
Well, we already made me the slime.
Yeah.
Okay. Which I got slime all over my face.
You got slime.
It almost got in my hair.
I have a bubble.
Wait, did you start the video?
Yeah. Oh yeah, so all I'm gonna be doing is telling you that we made this slime. We made it actually.
Yeah. It's water slime. That's why it looks water? That's why it looks glossy.
We used glue and laundry detergent and then added some water.
Water and contact solution.
Yeah. And
right,
shaving cream to make it fluffy, right?
Yeah.
Didn't we add shaving cream to make it fluffy?
You guys should try it.
Yeah. And then we add our color. That was pink.
Even though you can see these at Walmart and Seneca Falls, these aren't it.
We made it.
So don't go.
You can buy it if you want, but I think you should make it because it's kind of better. Yeah. We bought one and it dried up the next day. It was all hard like a rock.
Yeah.
So we decided
like
to
from playing it,
follow the instructions and make it.
So how you make it is first you add the glue, then you add the contact solution and the laundry detergent. After that, you're gonna add some water, and then it'll look glossy. And then you can add beads and stuff.
Yes. Bubba.
Like old-fashioned, like old-fashioned way how we're doing it. Like when you don't got a camera, you have to hold it with your hand. They're probably like, I wish Talia can come. All you hear is, I like this.
So I'm gonna try to make another bubble.
Oh my god, I got slime on my shirt.
Show me your sock.
What?
Show me your sock.
And then I got it all over my jacket. Just like, oh, and I'm gonna be eating this. To put this in there. Just kidding. So we're gonna take a break and
we'll be back.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I didn't finish it. All I did was like 2 bites. But who cares? So she just had to hurry up. I don't know who that is.
Come in.
It's Talia. Hi, Talia. Are you going somewhere? Or are you coming over here? Well, you're fine before I get my pants all over it. Making a video. And so it's one of these good bars.
So make sure to subscribe, give a thumbs up, comment down below what slime you like and what color kind of slime you like. So bye.